Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the clutch from your string trimmer. I'll begin by removing the screws that secure the clutch housing to the starter. Now I have access to the clutch drum. It's secured with a screw located in the opening. And I'll go ahead and remove it. This can vary, but usually the screw is either a Torx number 20 or number 25. With the clutch drum removed, now I have access to the clutch. To remove it, I need to lock up the crankshaft so it doesn't rotate as I try to remove the clutch. To do that, I'll go ahead and remove the spark plug. To lock up the crankshaft, I'm going to take a length of rope. This is just starter rope, or a piece of shoelace would work great as well. I'm going to insert this rope into the spark plug hole. The rope is going to fill the space between the piston and the top of the combustion chamber. That'll bind it up so that the crankshaft can't rotate. I'll leave enough of the rope sticking out so I can easily remove it later. Now I'll rotate the crankshaft around until it won't move anymore, and then I can take my pliers and remove the clutch. And that's all it takes to access and remove the clutch in your string trimmer.